Good morning. Amanda from Sacred Sound of the Soul here in Sedona at Crystal Tones Temple. And we had a couple questions about the bowls that have the precious metals in them. We had a video of someone asking, what is that high-pitched metal sound? Right there. Hear that? This bowl's so beautiful, it'll play forever. So the bowls that have the platinum in them and the palladium in them, the alchemies, are precious metals. And that is what you're hearing in your bowl. Now, how can you, if you don't like that sound, how can you play your bowls so that you don't bring that sound out? Well, there's a few ways. We have a couple different tools here that I brought just to show, but mainly the big thing about how to not elicit that sound is to play even softer and slower than you think, right? Now, here I go. I'm going to go harder and faster. And there it is, right? But if I slow down and I don't press as hard, that sound goes away. Now, I think the woman who had the bowl had a smaller bowl, so I brought the 6-inch out just so you could see that it's not just in the big bowls or the medium-sized bowls. You can also do that with your small 6-inch bowls too. So you don't hear it when you chime it. It's when you play it hard and fast. There it is. So all you do is lighten up your pressure and you slow down. And there's the sweet song of the bowl. These bowls are always teaching us about parameters and awareness, helping us to remember to slow down and take our time. So I hope that helps. If you have a platinum bowl or one with that has the precious metals in them, this is a great way for you to avoid that high tingy sound. Again, we've got the old suede mallets that we don't really use anymore, but I was interested. It's a little bit deeper when you play it. But again, I was pushing harder and going faster. Let's see about with the 6-inch. The suede mallet on this 6-inch bowl does go around the edges smoother. So I am able to play this one a little faster if that's what you like. But again, always staying present with the sound and listening to what your bowl is saying. If it's eliciting those high tingy sounds, it's telling you something. Back off a little bit, slow down, not so hard. It's kind of like just in life, right? Here we have the little Zen mallet that come with the bowls as well. Now all silicone is going to catch more, right? It's a little bit easier to elicit that sound. But again, if you slow down and not press so hard, you can avoid that tingy sound. And then of course, my favorite chimer, and these are the ones that we're giving away for August. You still have almost a half a month to still get your free chimer with purchase. And there's no tinging with these. All right, thanks again. It's so good to be with you. Please call or email if you have any questions, or please come visit us. We're right here off of the 179. Right in the middle of Sedona. It's a beautiful vortex, 360 views, or you can see us in Encinitas, about a mile away from our beloved Paramahasana